Ready, gentlemen? First English question, then I will take the Urdu ones.
Sarfraz, was that almost the perfect T20 game of cricket that you played today?
Yeah, first of all, thanks to Allah. I think credit goes to the player who responding really well. We had execute plan yesterday, and think the credit goes to the bowlers who bowled really well. Then after Khalid and Shadil playing really well.
Was it a pre-match plan from you to hold Wahab back to bowl all his overs in the second half of the innings, or did you think of that today?
Nah, we had a plan. We played for 4 fast bowlers, so we have a used Wahab strike bowler, and he did really well for us.
Sarfraz, there's a lot of positive energy out there. What did you say to the guys? Obviously, this was your first match as captain. What did you say to the players before you went out there in terms of your leadership and what you wanted from them?
When we won the match, the fifth match, the morale was very high. When we arrived here, then I told the players, if we playing T20 crickets, we want some energy and we want some good fielding on the ground. Then players did this. Then you see the players enjoying really well and fielding really well.
Yes, sir.
Imad bowled extremely well tonight. I mean, how concerned were you when he took that blow to the head? What does it say about him when he came back to bowl as well as he did?
Yeah, I'm really concerned about the Imad. Then Alhamdulillah, he come back and he bowled really well for us.
I mean, was that always your plan to sort of open with a spinner?
Yeah. Our plan is starting with Imad for 1 over, and after the power play, he bowled 3 overs.
Yes, sir.
Sarfraz, I just want you to reflect on the tour as a whole. You obviously ended it on a winning note, but the Test series was an obvious highlight as well. How do you reflect on the whole tour?
Yeah, the whole tour was very good. We playing Test cricket is very good. Unfortunately, we're not winning the ODI, but yesterday I told you we want to finish on the high note, and Alhamdulillah, we did it really well.
And in the Test series, obviously a 2-2 draw, now number one in the world. How much confidence has that given you as a team? Especially with Australia coming up as well.
That our testing is very settled. Playing all players together almost 5 and 6 years. So then after we number one on the position, we work really hard to continue this.
Sarfraz, looking at people coming back into the side, maybe you spoke yesterday about perhaps Umar Akmal coming back into the side. I mean, does he have a place in the side now after such a brilliant performance tonight?
You had a very good question, but we announced only 13 players here. So we probably the focus is here. We almost come to hear a player who playing the match. So then after we coming back, then we will see.
And finally, this is the kind of positive cricket that you were looking to play, as you mentioned yesterday.
Yeah, this is how to play it in the modern day cricket.
Yes, sir.
Wahab, you bowled well tonight, and no balls, which has been a bit of an issue for you. Is that something you've been working on in practice?
Yes, I was never in the habit of bowling on no balls before this tour, but certainly I don't know what happened to me on this tour. But the only thing was that I think the credit goes to the bowling coach. He really helped me. He was very strict to me on my no balls, and because I was resting the last 2 games, so he really worked hard with me, and I think the credit goes to him the way he was really after me.
Well, have you got over 90 and 6, I think that Joss Butler wicket. When you know that in this form of the game you only have to run in 24 times, as long as there's no ball, what's your thought process? Do you just think, I'm not going to leave anything in the tank?
If you want me to be honest, whenever I went into the ground, I try to give my 100% whatever I've got, whether things goes my way or whether things goes the other way around. But obviously, this was a very important match, important game for me, and when I was running it, I had plans with myself, and I know if I have to bowl fast, it has to be very fast, and if I have to bowl slow, then it has to be very slow, and you have to variate a lot of varieties in this T20 game. So I think I was successful on that, and when you're getting wickets and bowling well, you get your rhythm going and all things getting your way.
There's work to do on the one-day team still, because I mean, whilst the Test series finished 2-all, you won the T20. Obviously, there's a lot of work still needed in the 50-over format.
See, as Sarfraz told, we have a test team which is really been settled. The players have been playing in those test cricket for the last 5-6 years, so they know their roles, what their roles are. Because we are here with a new team, a young captain, and you know that you have to work really hard on the guys. You have to give them the confidence. So it's a process building of the ODI team. And I think that the way these guys have handled the pressure, I know we have lost it. It's not a good sign, but I think the way the guys have performed, you got a lot of positives from the ODI, and I think we have a really good chance to improve that in the coming tours.
You've had Wasim around the past few weeks as well. How's it been having him? Has he given you much advice and much that you showed today on the pitch?
Obviously, he's a living legend, and you know he was one of my favorite bowler who I started to bowl after seeing him. And whenever I have get a chance to talk to him, always be very positive, very kind to me, and he always tell me things that obviously he can share that experience to us, and that we have to, we know where we have to use that experience and where we can do good on the basics. So it's always good to have a receiver from around.
Yes, sir.
सरफराज जो शुरुआत चाहिए थी वो आपको मिली है, लेकिन इस कप्तानी में शायद आफरीदी आपके साथ नहीं है, अहमद शहजाद आपके साथ नहीं है, उमर अकमल आपके साथ नहीं है। क्या अगली सीरीज में उनकी कोई जगह है या अभी ये सब कुछ कहना काबिल है?
देखें, सबसे पहले तो अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करना चाहूँगा, और इस जीत का क्रेडिट जो है वो बिल्कुल मैं अपने सारे प्लेयर्स को देता हूँ, अपनी पूरी टीम मैनेजमेंट को देता हूँ, क्योंकि हमारी बहुत यंग टीम थी और 2 लड़कों का डेब्यू हुआ था। और मैं यहाँ पे स्पेशली क्रेडिट देना चाहूँगा बॉलर्स को, स्पेशली हसन को जो आज पहला मैच खेला था, उसको जो मैंने फील्ड दी उसने वहीं पे बॉल की। उसके बाद वहाब ने बॉलिंग वहाब ने ज़बरदस्त बॉलिंग की, इमाद, आमिर और सुहेल तनवीर, आई थिंक बॉलर को बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेडिट जाता है। और उसके बाद खालिद लतीफ़ ने इस तरह बैटिंग की और शजील ने, बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हुई खालिद लतीफ़ को इस तरह देख, क्योंकि मैं उनके साथ हमेशा खेलता हूँ और यही खालिद लतीफ़ इसी तरह खेलते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है उनको ऐसे देख के। शजील तो माशाल्लाह खेलता ही आ रहा था। और जहाँ तक आपने बात की कि शाहिद भाई नहीं थे, उमर अकमल नहीं थे, देखें अभी वापस जाएंगे, अभी हमारा अगला टूर है नेक्स्ट टूर वेस्ट इंडीज़ का, उसके बाद बैठेंगे एनजी भाई से जो भी बात होगी तो इंशाल्लाह जो भी होगी बेस्ट पॉसिबल टीम सेलेक्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे उस टूर के लिए।
सरफराज, इस मैच का टर्निंग पॉइंट क्या था? वहाब का बॉलिंग में आना है या इमाद वसीम के 2 ओवर में 2 विकेट?
देखें बिल्कुल, मेरे ख्याल से जो टर्निंग पॉइंट था वो उसके जो इमाद और उसने बॉलिंग शुरू की है पावर प्ले के बाद, हसन ने आते ही 2 विकेटें ली हैं, उसके बाद वहाब ने जो आखिरी में फिनिशिंग स्पेल किया, आई थिंक वो मैच का टर्निंग पॉइंट था।
Okay. Any more questions? No? Thank you.